Okay, and welcome to more of the Compréhension de l'Écrit. We are going through words one by one. Going through the words one by one will expose you to the vocab. Let's not waste any time here. Question 7, 8 et 9. A, to, tous les employés de la direction. To will be all. To, to, to will be all, and that is a plural form. Alors, it will come as tous les, maybe to may, to say, to know. For example, it would be all of the, all of my, plural, all of his, all of our, and so on. It could also be, bien sûr, feminine. Alors, toutes, all, feminine, and plural. We would also have tout, all. We have toutes, all feminine, in the singular form. Très bien, let's continue. Tous les employés, all the employees de la direction. La direction is everything under our director. Alors, la direction, our branch, a branch, la direction, a branch, maybe a division. I am not entirely sure what we call a direction, but la direction being, of course, the word direction or left, right, and so on also works. Alors, the branch, the division in this instance. De, it coming from, alors, a is to, and de is from. René Lafontaine being his name. Objet, objet is going to be subject. Alors, what is the subject of our email here? Subject line. Absence du bureau, absence from the office, very clear. Veuillez prendre note. Veuillez means want, meaning please. Veuillez prendre note. Prendre note is going to be please note, or perhaps we could say, I would like to specifically mention, so please note, please pay attention to the fact that, please bear in mind, something of the lines, along those lines. Veuillez prendre note que je suis présentement, je suis, I am, que is going to be that. Please note that I am presently absent from the office for some reasons, for professional reasons. Jusqu'à is crucial. Alors jusqu'à, it will be jusqu'à, up to, until, we could probably say. Until, alors in this case it says jusqu'au, and O is a plus le, because we are going to go with the fact that le 20 mars. Whenever we use a number for the date, we are going to use le. Alors, le 20 mars is what it says, and jusqu'à, alors plus le 20 mars, which will give us jusqu'au 20 mars. Now, those are details you should pay attention to. You should be able to pick that up. But also, there's a lot of content coming to you. Alors, don't fuss the small stuff. There's not going to be a drastic change between a and o in the meaning. D'accord. Alors, there is an accurate way of using it, of course. And we've got the word inclusivement. Inclusivement, which will translate, you guessed it, into inclusively. D'accord. Fill in the blank. Je vérifierai. Vérifier is to verify. Je vérifierai is going to be a I at the end, and that is le futur simple. Alors, if that helps you, and I would like to translate, je vérifierai here is going to be I will. I will verify. I will verify mes courriels. Un courriel is going to be an email. Régulièrement equals regularly. I think we're seeing a pattern. Et tâcherai. Tâcher. Tâcherai. Tâcher is going to be tâcher de. And it is to make it our task. Basically, it means to make sure that we will do this. To guarantee, to ensure, to make sure that we do this. To make sure that I will task myself with. Répondre, to respond. Répondre is going to be to respond. Aux demandes. Une demande. Alors, demander is the action to ask. If I ask you, I'm not demanding. It's not strongly that. Demander is to ask. Demander to ask. But une demande is going to be a request. Une demande is a request. Well, a request, whenever we apply for something, we apply for a permit, a license, any kind of document that we need to request. Alors, une demande is an application, of course, a request or an application of some sort. Les plus urgentes. Urgente, urgent. Urgent, urgente. D'accord, same meaning. But when I say le plus urgent equals le plus, whatever it is, equals the most. Les plus, the plural, most. The most. Alors, the most urgent ones. Very well. Si vous désirez, if you desire, if you wish. Désirer is to wish. To wish, to speak to. Parler, to speak. Avec quelqu'un, quelqu'un equals someone. Vous pouvez, you can, contacter le service à la clientèle. Service à la clientèle, you will see often. Le service is the service. Le service à la clientèle is going to be customer service. Customer, let me get that word in there. Customer service. And there you go, my friends. You have all the vocab here. I'm going to move that over a little bit. I'm going to move myself a little bit. D'accord? In order to have a clear reading of the text here. And so here's what you should do. Take a screenshot. I know I will, and that will be something that you can use for your vocab acquisition. I expect you to make a list of these words using a pencil, using paper, d'accord? Using actual paper because pencil, paper, brain, the eye to hand coordination, it works wonderfully for picking new stuff and for building sentences. Alors, you don't want to just passively hear things. We want to actively write things down. And that is how we learn how to read and how to write en français. Excellent travail. Let's keep it up.